Assigning tasks in Trello is a key feature that helps keep teams organized and ensures everyone knows their responsibilities. Here's how to assign tasks. Create or open a card. First, either create a new card or open an existing one. To create a card, click on Add a card under the relevant list, enter a task title and click Add card. Then click on the card to open it. Click on Members. On the right-hand side of the card, you will see several options. Click on the Members option. This will open a list of team members who have access to the board. Assign a team member. Search for the team member you want to assign the task to by typing their name or email in the search box. Once their name appears, click it to assign them to the card. Confirm assignment. Once assigned, the team member's avatar will appear on the card, indicating that they are responsible for the task. Notify the team member. Trello will automatically notify the assigned person via email or app notifications when they are added to the card.